Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix a paper jam. The things you're going to need are some tape and possibly some scissors. So your ribbon is going to be torn. It might be connected to the paper as well. So just rip that off. It will probably end up ripping the ribbon. And so what you're going to do is tape the ribbon back onto itself. Take your tape. Align it as straight as you can. Stick it back on together. And then you're gonna roll it back into the top portion of your ribbon. Trying to make sure that it stays as aligned as possible and as tight as possible, so it ends up looking like normal. You may have to cut some of the paper if it was stuck to the ribbon. Just make sure that you cut it at a straight line like you normally would, and then insert it like normal until it beeps. Close it up. And then it'll do what it normally does, and that's your fixed printer.